Here's the secret to successfully preventing summer slide. Summertime's almost here, which means it's time to start planning activities and programs to keep your children engaged and learning over the break. You may have heard of the summer slide. It's a term used to describe the regression in academic skills that some students experience after not being in school for an extended period of time. But what exactly is this phenomenon? In this video, I will explore what is the summer slide, why it happens, and how you can lessen the effects. What is the summer slide? It's a loss of learning throughout the summer months that millions of American school-aged children experience. This loss of learning can have a significant impact on a child's academic performance. Shockingly, Forbes states that children lose up to 40% of the gains they have made over the school year while on summer break. Let's look at a very general example. Let's say two students started kinder at the same point academically and finished the year both learning about a year's worth of content and growth. Then student one lost the typical 40% of what they have gained, but student two was able to maintain over the summer. Now, starting in first grade, they are at very different points, but both gain about a year's growth in first grade. Again, student one loses the typical 40% over the summer, and student two maintains. Now, if this continues, you can see how the two students who began their journey in a very similar place are now over a year grade level apart by time they enter third grade. So why does this happen? There are a variety of reasons for this loss of learning, including a lack of access to educational resources, less structured learning environment, and reduced motivation due to the absence of academic pressures. The summer slide can have a lasting impact on a student's academic achievement, making it crucial for families and educators to provide opportunities to continue learning and engagement throughout the summer. By addressing the root causes of this problem and providing support to students during the summer months, we can help bridge the gap and ensure that all students have the chance to succeed academically. So here's the most important question: how? The good news is there are steps that can be taken to lessen the impact of the summer slide. Here are 3 tips that can help students maintain their learning over the summer, and most importantly, how you can make it happen. Read, read, read. Read every day. It doesn't matter what, just find something that interests you. Practice math regularly. There are so many amazing educational apps out there to make this a fun one. Get out and engage in educational activities such as visiting museums or attending educational summer camps. By making a conscious effort to incorporate these simple tips by physically adding them to your calendar for the summer will help students enjoy their summer break and take a much needed rest, but also, most importantly, help prevent the loss of important academic skills, setting them up for success the following year. Planning a summer calendar that includes educational activities is easier than you might think. Start by knowing you and what you live by. Maybe it's a Google Calendar or a wall calendar in your kitchen. Next, start filling in activities. Simply writing down these activities and plan can make a huge difference in actually making it happen. Make sure to create a schedule that fits your lifestyle and allows you to easily fall into a summer rhythm, adding some much needed structure to the freedom of summer days. With a little bit of planning, you can make this summer one that will expand your mind and your horizons. Don't let the summer slide happen to you. Take advantage of these opportunities instead. If you're looking for more tips on the summer slide, check out my next video where I share 3 free tools to help combat summer slide.